My name is Mike. I'm the brand manager of Milence, being responsible for the development and consistency of our brand, including the design of our charging hubs. We're now on our way to one of our charging hubs here in Zwolle. Here we are, at our site, which we are currently developing. On this site we're going to have 8 charging bays, including CCS, but also MCS, the new charging technology for charging trucks. Of course, we have our arches and canopy in place over here, which I would like to tell you a bit more about. Sustainability is in the core of what we do here at Milence. That's why we chose to build a canopy fully made out of European sourced wood. And next to that, that whole design is really developed from the core of our brand. And would like to show you a bit more about the details we have here in this archie and also design-wise what we did. Well, here we are under our Milence archie. These arches are developed from the core of our visual identity. The curve in the top of the archie is exactly a curve which we also have in our icon. And also the tilted line is exactly the same as the tilted line in our icon. And if you mirror those two elements, we have exactly the shape as you see here. Which is special about this whole project and also this shape is that we were even able to protect this as a protected trademark element. So this really is one of our strongest brand assets, which I'm quite proud of.
Hello, I'm Bob. I'm responsible for TreeTech and we're the partner of Milence. We're engineering, producing and installing a canopy here on this beautiful site in Zwolle. TreeTech is a company that specializes in the construction engineering, product development, production and installation of timber structures all across the Netherlands, and now for Milence also in Europe. This site shows where our skills are combined into creating a unique rest and recharge experience. The archie of Milence is a perfect example where materials and technology are combined. It's a modular system where timber, steel, aluminum are combined in a pre-assembled structure which allows for a fast and high quality deployment all across Europe. As said, the majority of the components in the archie are prefabricated in our factory. This allows us for a quick installation of this site in only 2 weeks. So here we are at the Clean Tech campus in Arnhem. This is a location where both Milence and TreeTech are having its offices. What we see here is that the timber is received, quality controlled and then spray painted in our cabin in order to prepare them for the next steps in our process. The main process is that the arch comprises out of 3 elements: timber, steel and aluminum. We combine them here in this factory and include intelligent components to make the final arch on site. The nice thing is the entire modular system that's being designed by the architect that creates the archie in the quality that we recognize throughout Europe.
My name is Blaž. I'm architect at Proof of the Sun, and we had the privilege to design the location concept for Milence. The most important drivers in the design are the modularity and placing the user centrally. These two are as a guideline for the overall design of the site, as well as for the pre-assembly and installation of the arch. If we look at the model, there are quite some elements which are integrated in the arch itself. This is the bay numbering with the integrated lights below, the lights in the main beam, payment terminal on the inner side, and the camera and the Wi-Fi. But we also have some integrated elements which are hidden, which is, for instance, the rain pipes, lightning protection, and all the wiring, to protect the elements itself and also to protect the user. This is an amazing project because we had a very good collaboration with Milence, with Tritec, and also with other parties that worked on this project. We were able to create a very distinctive design that we can roll out fast through the whole Europe.
What started off as just a workshop and a drawing on a table 1.5, 2 years ago is now really turned into reality, and we are now rolling out this concept in already 7 countries. And that's something to be incredibly proud of.